It's one more live session here for NASDAQ 100. Was off some days, some of the last days, but here I am back to the charts. I hope you have been having a good trading month here of 2025, and here we are today for a new session, as I just mentioned. So, first of all, let's start with the charts, okay? Let's start with the chart. Here we have the 4-hour chart. And we can see here NASDAQ is very bullish today. We had a perfect view up day here. We can see that. This is the first candle of the day at 11 p.m. GMT, UK time. And we had from this point here, we went up like short, almost 200 points, 164 points. And we have a daily resistance on this area here. So I think if we continue to move up, we will have some resistance here at 860. It's a fairly possibility. I'm working with a very bullish day and anyway, but we can see some pullbacks here. Let's go for the 1 minute just to check how this could operate. You can see that we had a very perfect day without even touching the VWAP today. The VWAP is immaculate here. And well, I think we have some room to test this VWAP. Especially it could be right at the open. Could be that. I will work with these points here of rejection dash confirmation. If I go short right at the beginning of this session, it would be my take profit target would be like just shy of the VWAP. So we would have around 30 points to take profit here, and from here we have to check what's gonna happen, because we have a lot of room to the low of the day, but sometimes these lows are not tested. In days we have the VWAP so inclined, so positively inclined. So this will be something to see what's going to happen in the VWAP. If we have the push to the upside, it may be a very good entry as well. I would say have a 65 points trade here is also very good. And if by any chance we see a possibility of going to the upside, I would cap my take profit. Yeah, it's not so good here unless I come from the inside of this lane here, which I don't think it's going to be the case because it's breaking already. So we have 22 points here. Maybe it could be. But for now, the only thing I'm seeing is that the price is going lower. And it's following a very beautiful path, to be honest, here. Very beautiful path. Like this would have been an entry here. but very small trades. It's not the kind of trades we're looking for. And let's just watch until the time the session opens. It opens 9:30 a.m. New York time, 8 at 2:30 p.m. UK time, and let's just wait to see what the market has in store for us today. One of the reasons we have been going so high today was Netflix published its results for the quarter, or for the quarter, I think, and it was very, very, very positive. They got, I think, 18 more million more subscribers, and that made their stock just skyrocket. So they are driving the price of the Nasdaq 100. One thing that I'm checking here is we have a gap, an important gap here from yesterday's uh, price action. Actually, we have a gap at 567, and this 567 is exactly below the, the low of the day today, and we might test that because of the gap. Usually, I wouldn't say this is something that we would test, but there's a possibility because there's this huge gap, and uh, we don't have that many names also pushing the price high. We had Netflix. I'm just taking a look here at what's happening in the individual names of the Nasdaq 100, and we have um, yeah, Apple went further down, but it's a bit lower, but not very low. Nvidia, I think today is a good day for AI after some announcements from President Trump. We also have Microsoft going very high, also on these announcements from President Donald Trump about AI, about the new corporation. Tesla might be flying today as well. We have Amazon. Amazon never flies or goes very low. It's very rare. We have Broadcom as well, very, very bullish today. Already 2% higher. We have Meta. Meta is a bit higher, not so much, but also driving the index higher. And then we have Tesla. Tesla, I believe, is very. Oh, it's not. It's actually lower than yesterday. I thought it would be higher because, anyway, when anything good, Trump says, guarding Musk, most of times it drives the price of Tesla higher. And we also have Netflix. Netflix is just flying. Netflix is ooh, ridiculously high. Netflix. It's like 14% higher. 14% higher. This is go very high. Oh my god. This is very good. Okay. So let's just wait for the market to open. I'll be paying a lot of attention today. So we still have 3 more minutes for the market to open. And we can see some sort of downtrend before the open, but it just stopped around 752, which was a resistance earlier in the day. Now it's acting as a support, which is a good sign for maybe a movement higher. So we have possibly 2 next here to watch to the downside, and it will not be so comfortable entering, but maybe we still have some room up to the view, but we have to consider that this is a very strong level. We're just testing here. This can become a support. It's the high of the last 4 hour candle, so to be watched very carefully. Now we are going towards the 769, which, if broken, might give us a good possible long setup here. First candle looks like it's gonna go higher. It's going lower. Nothing decided yet. Okay, it broke beautifully to the upside, as I imagined. Thirty-nine points. Just breaking to the upside. Remember that we have a level to watch at 858. We are just 30 points from there. You can see it now. Let's see if we have the continuation here. Let's see when this next candle will behave. Very interesting. Not yet reacting to the upside. We're still in the pullback. Yeah, this reaction looks good. Maybe we will have movement to the upside. It doesn't look like what's going down. We're seeing the fair value gap. It could react, but I don't think so. Yeah, no. It's just going lower now. Maybe 783 here might be interesting. Try. If the price goes there, it didn't go. Yeah, it would have been a good entry here, but we were too slow to get this movement, unfortunately. But it was a good movement, you see. Maybe if we had considered a bit higher, it would have been good. Very good projection now. Yeah, you see that it just touched the stop loss and went further up. Let's get it now. If it comes back to 42 to 82, 89, it would be a very good trade. But anyway, it's going back down. It seems we were right about this level here, selecting as resistance. So the end of this candle. Yeah. It's looking good. Yeah, maybe we can try something if the price comes back. We'll see. Yeah, I knew something would happen here. I'm out of the trade for 2 or 3 points and it came to my stop loss. But that's fine. Let's see if we get this price back to 791 to the base here. Maybe to this base here. And looks like it's going retest the high. Okay, fine enough. Now it's not very advisable to enter from there maybe. Hmm, why not? Let's try once again. If it goes there. Let's see if again it's going to test the high. But if we break at this, maybe this level here, 784, we might go much lower and then we can have an opportunity to short here, possibly. Okay, I'm very cautious with this trade. If it retraces back, I'm leaving the trade. Yeah, just stop loss at zero here. It rejected so many times already that I think it lost a bit of strength. And if it taps my entry, I will just close the trade and maybe wait for a new time to see a reaction to the upside. But while it's open, let's leave it open. We might extend the take profit maybe at least to here. Okay. Actually, from here start to trail. I think we could come back to 827 and start trailing aggressively from 818 if we get there. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure already. I think the price is very high, so it has to be corrected at some point. And maybe it's now. Whoop, a good push. Now I'm trading from here from 800. Now I'm trading from 810. I'm just trading from 810 here. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Made 16 points. Okay. Now it's going back to my target. No problem. There is certainly some pressure to the downside, depending on how this candle is. It's just going up now. Right. Okay, now we're gonna test the high of the day. Very crucial moment. Okay, very good reaction to the downside. Maybe we can try short from here. 30 seconds yet. We can try a short. Maybe if it keeps like that. From here. Okay. I will try if we come back to this area here. Still thinking about this short, but it didn't reach my target for the entry, so I'm not yet shorting this. Okay, now I'm short. Let's see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't, I'll just stop for the day. 'Cause it doesn't make sense if we're not making winning. We shouldn't keep trading. Here we are going to test the high again. It could well be a chance to go actually to the upside. Maybe I will be very careful when the price comes back to this area here, if it comes, because we can have a range here. Yeah, but it's just going higher. Unfortunately, I think it's not the day for us. We have made one good trade, and this is the second bad trade. It doesn't make sense to keep trading. Doesn't look like it's going to go lower, back lower. I don't believe so. If it for any reason comes back to my entry, I would, and it comes back to 809, it might be a good chance to go long from here, but for that I would to do forcing it enough to see my entry being tested again. Yes. I think this is gonna happen. I think we're just going higher now. So that's it, I think, for today, guys. I'm fine. If you're not in a good day, you should not keep insisting, because otherwise you'll just see our account dry up. I don't want to see that today. It's fine. This here might be a good entry actually to a long 834. If you were in the trade, just a matter of seconds until my stop loss be hit. I just don't believe we are going any higher, any lower than that now. So no chance of being saved here. Okay, almost there. 4 points now for my stop loss. Okay, it's done. Okay, it didn't work today. Days like these happen, and we can't get upset or anything. We just go by. Okay, I hope you had a great trading day, and I see you another day. Bye bye.